Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use Uber app. So for this, firstly, we need to install the app. Once the app is installed, now open it and let the app assess your location and now click on get started. Now here, you need to continue with your mobile phone number. So choose the phone number. Okay, so now you can also continue with Google, with Apple or with email. Now as we continue with our phone number, so a verification code will send to that phone number. You need to enter that verification code number here. After that, you need to agree with their terms. So click on next and now here you need to click on get started. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of Uber where the two options are available, that is rides and delivery. You can get delivery of food from Uber too. Now if you want to take a ride, so for this you need to add the place where you want to go. So just enter the location here, or you can also set location on map. I will add manually. Choose the location and then you will find the rides nearby. As this is not available in my region, so there is no rides nearby. Now let's go back. Now if we go in delivery side, so there we have Uber Eats. You can order food from Uber too. Okay, next if we talk about their services option, so there we have two services, that is to take a ride or to order food. Then we have activity, that if you take a ride or you order food. Then in account section, we will get different options like settings, payment or activity, messages, or also you can earn by driving or delivering on Uber. Next, if you want to change the theme of the Uber app into dark theme, so simply go to settings and there we have the appearance option. So if I click on it, there we have two options, that is light mode and dark mode. So you can go with the dark mode here. Now if you want to add funds in your Uber account, so for this go to accounts and there we have the payment option. Click on it and from here you can add your credit or debit card for payment. So in this way you can add funds in your Uber wallet. So in this way you can add Uber app. It is super easy. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.